Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with Bootstrap. So friend, from this video I shall begin to make this section, latest this week section. So for this purpose I go to my code editor Notepad++. So this is the style.css page open, but I am to work on index.php. So I come here and I shall start my work right after the closing div of advantages ends, where the advantages ends. So right under it I make one more div start and div close. And I assign an ID to it on the name of heart. Heart starts. I write a comment and copy it and paste it at the closing div. Heart ends. I make one more div inside this div, inside the heart div start and div close. And assign it a class box. Now I comment it. Box start and box ends. I make one more div inside the box div start and div close, and I also assign it a class container. Container starts. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Container ends. I make one more div inside it. Div start and div close. And I assign it a class call empty12. Now I comment it, call empty12 starts. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Call empty12 ends. I make one h2 tag inside the call empty12, h2 start and h2 close, and inside it I write latest this week. So now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. So friend, you are watching that this strip are being shown, only this text is not being shown into the middle of this strip. So I stylize it in my style.css. This is the real one and this is which is being under maintenance. So I go to Notepad++ and I go to style.css. First I write comment and I write here product styles hash hot the ID space h2 which is inside the hash hot ID. Friend, this is the hot ID and this is the h2 tag which is inside this hot id div. So I go to style.css page, text transform, uppercase, font size 36 pixel, color hash 49993E4, font weight 100, text line center. Now I go to browser for watching its preview. So I refresh the page, and now friend, you are watching that everything is showing accurately. Only there is a little difference in color. Its color is blue and its color is black. So I see that what is the matter. So friend, I go to my no code editor for watching this mistake. Actually the mistake is I mistakenly wrote 3 times 9. Actually it was the 2 times 9. So I go back here and I refresh the page. So now it is showing accurately. So friend, now I am to make this section. These 4 boxes are to show on the browser, on our theme. So for this purpose, I go to my code editor, and obviously I will start first my work on index.php page. So I come out of closing div of hot ends, where the hot ends, and under it I make one more div start and div close. And I assign an ID to it, content, and I also assign a class to it, container. Now I comment it, container starts, and I paste it at the closing div, container ends. I make one more div inside this div start and div close, and I assign it a class named row. Now I comment it, row starts and row ends. I make one more div inside the row div start and div close, and I assign it a class call sm4 space call sm6 space single. Now I write a comment, I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div. Ends. So friend, this video has been made enough lengthy. I think I should do the remaining work in next video. So I come back in next video and begin my work right from here. I mean right inside the div class, call sm4 and call sm6 single. So goodbye. I see you in next video.